What's going on, Phil? Daniel here from Josh and Denny SEO. So we're going to take a look and see what's going on, see if we can't help and give some advice. So we have residential paint and repair Orlando, Florida. So this is your name. I'm trying to find it by becoming very specific with location. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to, but oops, that wasn't what I was supposed to do. But I do know that your website is in repair right now, so it's probably not going to pop up right now. But right off the bat, anytime you do search anything, you're going to have these ads over here, and then you're going to have your GMP or Google My Business profile. Very important to get in here because about 30 to 40% of everyone searching for anything will click on one of these guys. Now, here is a typical thing I would put into Google, right? This is something called a keyword, right? Painter or painters, right? They're looking for a specific service and Orlando. So they're looking at for that in a specific area. Now, right away, as we scroll through, we're going to see the same thing. Ads, we got, obviously this changes a little bit. And then as far as here goes, this is going to be your main competitor, right? A Painter's Touch. Now, very in-your-face website, but they do have drop-down menus for everything. There's a lot of content over here. They're click to call over here, get my quote. So they're very much giving you the opportunity to get in contact with them very much, very quickly. These are links to other pages, which is excellent. He does have a blog on his page, which is good and bad at the same time. Time and place for everything. Let's just say that it should be somewhere else, like not on the homepage. But as we scroll through, he is talking about what he does. That's very important. Content is key. Orlando Painting Contractors. That's, by the way, a very good keyword to find people because it's very specific to a location. It's very specific to what someone is looking for. And as you scroll through, even here, painting contractor in Orlando is another good keyword. He has keywords throughout his entire website, which is excellent in what you want to do. See, Orlando exterior painting. Even though he has an exterior painting specialist, this gets more specific. So he talks a lot about what he does. I'm finding a lot of those keywords in here as well, and that's exactly what you would want. Now, each read more does bring us to another page, which is good. He's got content on the back end, and then he talks about, or he has links to his other pages, so he can talk about them more. I would probably have spent a lot more time talking about it, missing all this area to make it look a lot cleaner, but that's not up to me. It's his website, and then he has his links to his profile somewhere else, write a review, Google Places, stuff like that, and then where he services. Now, let's take a look at the back end of what he does and kind of explain why he's in such a good position. So right off the bat, right, this is his website URL. That's what a UR rating is. So he has a strong UR of 23. You typically want those in the 30s and 40s, but then the DR rating, which is your trust in Google, he only got a 0.4 out of 100. Now, again, 30s and 40s is where you really want it. And this directly translates to backlinks. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else and somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it actually comes back to you. So he has 368 of those 1,000 that come back to him. I'm going to assume the reason why his DR rating is so low is because these are spammier than he thought. So BuzzFeed, Wikipedia, stuff that don't really help you out, they're going to be more spammy than anything else. You definitely want strong painters blogs, different places like that that lead credibility to your website instead of not. And then obviously organic keywords. So he has about 1,100 keywords on his site, bringing in about 615 people per month through his website. So what are those keywords? As you can see, he's doing incredibly well with buyer intent keywords. Orlando house painter. 300 people a month are searching for it. He's pulling in 44 people a month because he's in position 2. So positioning is very important as well as everything else. So as you can just see as I scroll down, a lot of these, all of them actually, are very intentional in what he's looking for. Interior painter Orlando, 150 a month. He's getting 10%. He's in position 3. So how does this help you out, Phil? Honestly, all we really got to do is find out what the good referring domains are. Well, first off, it's get your website up and running. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is content. We need to get at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone that's talking about your actual services that you offer. In those services, we got to get a lot of good buyer intent keywords. And then on top of that, we need to rank you. So we got to get backlinks. Now, let's just take them from him. Find out the really good referring domains. Take them, put them on your site, and then add about 20 to 30, 50. The more you add, the better. And then do that over a period of time, and then you will be stellar. All right, well, that's all I really got for you. I really hope this was helpful, Phil. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.